wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pizza peels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Though the new Star food service isn't necessarily designed with style in mind, the combination of its aluminum blade and long handle provides easy, functional and safe access to the hottest wood-fired ovens. At under $20, it's a great value too. It's good for lifting sheet cakes too. However, dough has a tendency to stick to it, and it's a pain to store. At number 9, different from some of its wood-crafted competition, the checkered chef folding has a sturdy and easy-to-clean stainless steel paddle that lends itself well to transporting your foods to and from almost any indoor or outdoor oven. A rubber grip prevents slippage, and it doubles as a turner for barbecues, but it is rather heavy at almost 2 pounds. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Whether it's cutting, carrying or serving that you need help with, the solid bamboo construction of the Fredericka Premium makes it a formidable and multifunctional option for meeting all those needs when it comes to your pizzas, fruits or vegetables. It's eco-friendly and sustainable, and also works as a cheese board. However, it's a bit on the narrow side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Heritage Products Acacia boasts a thin tapered edge for accommodating almost any size of pie you choose to bake for the family. Its thick and sturdy wooden surface can withstand the extreme heat of your oven without warping or cracking over time. It works with grills and pizza stones, and the sanded design prevents splintering, but the handle is a bit short. Moving up our list to number 6, with a commercial-grade aluminum paddle and a handsome natural pinewood handle, the Pomodoro Luxury is as attractive as it is functional. It's perfect for removing any delicate baked goods from the oven, including pies, pastries, and cakes. It's a sleek minimalist design, and the handle folds flat for storage. It comes packed in a gift box. Halfway up our list at number 5. Sourced from elegant and sustainable acacia wood, the Ironwood Gourmet Napoli offers the combination of both an extra-wide grip on its base as well as a slanted edge for the easy sliding and transfer of your food from the oven to the dinner table. It's equipped with a grommet for wall hanging, and the price is affordable, but it does require periodic oil treatments. At number 4, the versatile Epicurean Slate features a cutting and transfer surface crafted from compressed layers of non-porous wood fiber composite that can easily withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to double as a trivet for hot pots and pans. It's available in several colors and comes in a slim design for compact storage. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Made from environmentally friendly and ethically sourced bamboo, the pizza royale has a naturally non-toxic and antimicrobial surface, durable enough to withstand the impacts and deep grooves that would ordinarily come from the sharpest of cutting knives. It's lightweight and sturdy, and the contoured shape is easy to hold. It comes with a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, setting the EXO Super Pro apart from most other tools in its category is the patented non-stick sliding conveyor belt motion that allows for the effortless transfer of almost any type of pie or bread dough, regardless of its consistency or weight. It boasts a fine leading edge for thin dough and is warp and split resistant. It's been endorsed by America's Test Kitchen. And coming in at number 1 on our list, extra wide at 16 inches across, the Honey Can Do aluminum can accommodate large pies and fresh baked loaves of bread. Its handle is reinforced and triple riveted for added stability, so it won't bend or break under heavy loads. This one's available in 3 sizes and has a long handle that prevents burns. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video.